National Agribusiness Group with the global weather update for Friday, April 29th. Looking at the big board, there are no changes this morning as the central and eastern United States recover from a historic storm event. Today, I'm going to look at the impact of this storm region by region. Starting in the southern plains, the big story this week was that the driest regions of southwestern Kansas, western Oklahoma, and the Texas Panhandle received some rainfall, generally on the order of 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in the drought area. However, the plains are currently dry and cool, and there are no immediate opportunities for additional rain. Models continue trending drier and faster with a front pushing through this weekend, which I believe will miss the western plains entirely. Therefore, the DEFCON level remains at 4. For the Midwest, this week's repeated rain events saw generally between 1 and 3 inches fall over the region, on top of several previous weeks of excessive rains. This is causing flooding problems, especially in the southern parts of the Ohio River Valley. A front will push into the Midwest on Sunday, which will bring another 3/4 to 1.5 inches of rain for southern Illinois, Indiana, and central Ohio. However, models agree that this storm will clear by Monday afternoon and be followed by several days of cool, mostly clear planting weather before the next storm threat a week from today. Still, there are some uncertainties with the track of a midweek potential spoiler, so the DEFCON remains at 3.
The Delta region bore the brunt of extreme precipitation totals this week. In places like Memphis, rain totals neared 8 to 10 inches, causing flash flooding issues as a general 3 to 5 inches soaked the entire region. Today, the Delta is drying out as much drier air is aloft. However, another round of very heavy rain is on the way for Sunday into Tuesday, which will net another 1.5 to 3 inches for the Delta. Model agreement and consistency has strong support for this solution. Flood threats keep the Delta at DEFCON 3, and we are on watch for possible upgrades next week. The northern plains mostly missed out on the excitement this week, with rain totals generally less than 1/2 an inch. A storm is moving into the Dakotas this afternoon, which will drop around 1/2 to 1 inch of rain over much of the region, while knocking temperatures back to well below normal into early next week. DEFCON stays at 2. In Western Europe, both northern France and Germany picked up modest rainfall this week. Models are increasingly aggressive in bringing more rain through the midweek, especially to northeast France as shown on the 0Z GFS. DEFCON level remains at 2. Now you're in the loop for April 29th. Keep watching the skies.